The humanoid robot industry may be approaching its own ChatGPT moment. That was the message from Unitree founder and CEO Wang Xingxing as China's ambitions in AI-powered machines took center stage at the World Robot Conference in Beijing. Wang said the industry was moving towards a breakthrough in embodied intelligence, the technology that allows robots to understand and operate in the physical world. He said the goal was for a robot to enter an unfamiliar household and successfully complete around 80% of tasks using simple voice or text commands. Wang described that capability as a potential tipping point, one that could trigger explosive growth across the robot industry. But despite the excitement surrounding humanoids, Wang struck a cautious note. He said a major leap in robot software could arrive within 2 to 3 years in an optimistic scenario, but could take as long as 5 to 10 years. Robotics consultant George Steeler said Wang was notably sober about the industry's current capabilities, despite the enthusiasm surrounding the World Robot Conference and Unitree's spectacular IPO. Unitree shares fell 11% on Thursday, one day after soaring nearly six-fold in their market debut. The dramatic move underscored the intense investor interest in a sector backed strongly by Beijing. Unitree is the world's largest producer of robot dogs and the second biggest maker of humanoid robots by shipments, according to industry data. The company became widely known for choreographed robot performances, including dancing and kung fu, but is increasingly deploying its machines in industrial settings. Its IPO prospectus showed that most of its customers were universities and research institutions. Another Chinese robotics entrepreneur, Galbert founder Wang He, expects the industry's ChatGPT moment to arrive by 2028. He defined that moment as the point when robots could perform around 70 to 80% of everyday tasks without specialized training. For Unitree, one of the biggest areas of investment is world models, physical AI systems designed to help robots understand and navigate real-world environments. Wang Xingxing said Unitree was still lagging in applying those models to the real world. He said humanoids were not yet capable enough for mass deployment, identifying the AI models behind robot decision-making and interaction as the industry's biggest bottleneck. Even so, Wang expects a decade of rapid autonomous evolution for humanoid robots as artificial intelligence continues to advance. China is already positioning itself at the center of that race. A Chinese humanoid industry body said the country delivered more than 40,000 humanoid robots in the first half of this year alone, accounting for 97% of global shipments. Beijing is betting that robots could eventually replace human labor in repetitive, low-value, and dangerous environments as the country faces a shrinking workforce caused by demographic decline. Humanoids are gradually appearing on factory floors and in logistics warehouses, although they remain less efficient than human workers in most applications. The technology has also become a new front in the wider US-China technology rivalry. Last month, the US Federal Communications Commission banned future imports of foreign-made humanoid and quadruped robots, citing national security concerns. That move was a major setback for Chinese producers looking to expand internationally. But several companies at the Beijing conference told Reuters they were still looking overseas. For the industry, the question is no longer whether humanoid robots can perform impressive demonstrations. The bigger question is when their software will become capable enough to reliably understand unfamiliar environments, follow simple instructions, and perform everyday tasks. If that breakthrough arrives, Wang Xingxing believes it could mark the moment embodied intelligence gets its own ChatGPT-style explosion.